In this scenario, we're given a pattern where each week that moves on, Jake is investing more and more, or sorry, saving more and more money. The important thing to realize when you're looking at this pattern is that this is an example of a geometric series. And I know it's not arithmetic because it's not increasing at a constant rate through addition. In fact, there's actually a common ratio. And we find that by taking one of the terms and dividing it by the previous one. So 5 divided by 2, which, by the way, would be the same thing as 12.5 divided by 5, is 2.5. So that is our common ratio, or R. And what we're trying to find is the expression they should use to determine how much he has saved in n weeks. In other words, we're looking for the grand total that he has saved, which would be represented by the equation for the sum of a geometric sequence, which you should hopefully be familiar with, but that's going to look like S of n is equal to a1 representing the first term, multiplied by 1 minus r to the power of n over 1 minus r, where r represents the ratio, which we figured out is 2.5, and n is the number of terms. Well, you'll notice that if we plug in the values we know, we'll get 2 multiplied by 1 minus r, which is 2.5 to the power of n, over 1 minus r, which is 2.5. You'll notice that this is not one of the 4 possible answers. Well, it actually is. It's just been rearranged or rewritten without the brackets. So what they've done is they've expanded the numerator, and then you would have 2 minus 2 multiplied by 2.5 to the power of n, so we can put that in brackets, over 1 minus 2.5. And you'll notice now that this answer is one of the 4 choices. In fact, it's the first one. So I hope that was helpful, and that's all for this video. Thanks for visiting JD's Preparation.